Look up at the night sky tonight. That bright silver circle watching over Earth. The moon. But here's the mystery. The moon was not always there. About 4.5 billion years ago, something violent happened that changed Earth forever. The birth of the moon. In the early days of the Earth, the solar system was chaotic. Planets were still forming. Gigantic rocks and young worlds collided constantly. Then one day, a Marsiest planet called Theia slammed into the young Earth. The collision was unimaginable. Oceans of molten rock splashed into space. Pieces of Earth's crust were blasted into orbit. The sky glowed like a second sun. Instead of escaping into space, that debris began circling Earth. Over millions of years, gravity slowly pulled those fragments together. Piece by piece, rock by rock, they formed a new world. Our moon. The moon you see today is partly made from ancient Earth itself. The moon's role for Earth at first glance. The moon may look quiet and lifeless, but without it, life on Earth might never have evolved. It controls the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans. This creates the tides that move water across the planet. These tides helped mix nutrients in the oceans, an important step for early life. It stabilizes Earth's tilt. Earth is tilted about 23.5 degrees. Without the moon's gravitational pull, that tilt could swing wildly. That would mean extreme climate chaos, unstable seasons, environments where life struggles to survive. The moon acts like a cosmic stabilizer, keeping Earth steady. It slows down Earth's rotation. Long ago, a day on Earth lasted only 6 hours. The moon's gravity slowly slowed Earth's spin. Today, we have 24-hour days. Without the moon, Earth might spin so fast that storms and winds would be far more violent. Falling toward the moon now. Imagine something incredible. You are floating in space, drifting toward moon. At first, the moon looks small and quiet, but as you fall closer, it begins to grow. The approach, the gray world, expands beneath you. You start seeing enormous craters, long mountain-ridged dark plains called lunar Maria. These plains were once filled with lava billions of years ago. From space, they look like dark stains across the moon's surface. The crater fields, as you descend lower, the surface becomes rougher. There are craters everywhere. Why? Because the moon has no atmosphere. On Earth, most meteors burn up in the air. But on the moon, every impact hits the surface directly, leaving permanent scars. Some craters are hundreds of kilometers wide. Near the surface now, you are only a few kilometers above the ground. The landscape looks alien. Jagged rocks, dusty plains, endless silence. The surface is covered in lunar dust called regolith. This dust formed from billions of years of meteor impacts, grinding rocks into powder. Turn around just before touching the surface. You look back. Above the gray horizon hangs a breathtaking sight. A giant blue world. Earth. From the moon, Earth appears 4 times larger than the moon looks from Earth. White clouds swirl across deep blue oceans and green continents. A living world shining in the darkness. The silent world on the moon. There is no wind, no oceans, no sound, just silence stretching for billions of years. But without this silent companion orbiting our planet, Earth might be a very different place. Possibly even lifeless. Final thought, every night when the moon rises above Earth, we are looking at a piece of our own planet. A reminder of a violent past, and a guardian that quietly shaped the world where life could grow. The moon is not just a light in the sky, it is Earth's ancient partner in space.